Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Just Food by Sarita. Today we are going to make very tasty and very popular Masala Corn Subzi. First take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Add 2 cloves or long, 1 tej patta, bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon hing, then add 1 cup chopped onions. Saute it till onion gets translucent. Our onion is done, don't overcook it. Now add half teaspoon ginger chili paste, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, mix everything well. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, mix everything well. Add paste of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Now cover it and let it simmer on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes or until the oil separates. Do stir occasionally. Add 1 tablespoon fresh cream or malai. Now I am adding 1 cup sweet corn which I have boiled for 10 minutes. Add half glass water. Now mix everything and add half teaspoon of salt. Again cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1/4 cup capsicum. Our masala corn sabji is ready to be served. Garnish it with some grated cheese and cream and serve hot.